Welcome to the Orminators. I am Chris Orr of the Orminators, and this is a slightly different video. You're not going to see me standing in front of something and showing you a product or anything like that. Instead, this is me on a trip that I've been on. And in this little video, I spent a week in Bangkok, Thailand, and I had the opportunity to try out a hop-on, hop-off boat tour. There are many of them, but we picked ours because we got a discount coupon from our hotel. Saved us a whole 75 cents on the $3 tour, which is super cheap considering that you can see a lot of cool stuff. We got on at one end of the route at the Saturn Pier, but you can buy tickets at any of the piers the tour stops at. The end of the route is at the Khao San district, which is famous for its youth hostels and nightlife.
I didn't bring my hat either. You want to get off at each one?
I don't know, we'll see.
Okay.
You know, if it looks interesting, we'll get off. I don't want to say that I'm married to getting off at each stop. There you go, Chinatown.
I don't think I want to go there. No, that's a small one.
That'd be fun.
I went into this. I show you what house.
อยากลงไปไหนไปได้จ้า
กี่ชั่วโมงคะ
ไม่ค่ะคุณอยากลงไปไหนเอ่ยเรือมันตัวเนี้ยใช้ได้ทั้งวัน
จะนั่งอีกไปเรื่อยๆไปดูต้องกลับ
ค่ะโอเคถ้าอยากลองรบกวนได้ไปด้านล่างนะจ๊ะ
I don't know. You're the one that speaks Thai. What did she say?
She said I can get off anytime.
All right, and then we can get back on anywhere where they have these docks. Okay. Good enough. All right, let's kick this pig.
Did Tan take you across the river one day?
Probably. When I was a kid? I'm sure.
No, the last time when you were here, or was it me?
No.
Okay.
I'm on a boat.
Oh, yeah.
Motherfuckers.
Yeah.
A motherfucking boat. Every 30 minutes, I guess, there'll be a boat. So wherever we get off, we'll have at least 30 minutes to go look at stuff. I guess that little booklet should tell us if there's interesting things at each stop, though.
I didn't hear.
I think this is the most touristy thing I think I've ever done here. That ferry is coming right across this boat. You better stop.
You're bigger. There's a shopping mall. That's when I came.
Oh yeah? I bet that'll be the first place that we stop. That's kind of cool. It's an old junk. Dad used to say when he was in the army coming, not through Thailand, but you know, through Hong Kong or Okinawa or whatever, he would just see people hanging their butts out the back of those things, taking the shit.
You see, I visit the old Chinese drive, the old warehouse, the ancient construction, and the Chinese architecture.
Next pier is Long 1990 Pier. At this newly opened pier, you can visit the massive train, which is there for over a month. Also along the village side, 100-year-old painting on the wall. ท่าเรือต่อไปท่าเรือล้ม199ในท่าเรือนี้ผู้โดยสารสามารถเยี่ยมชมศาลเจ้าแม่หมาโจวซึ่งเป็นศาลเก่าแก่มา167 ปีเจ้าแม่หมาโจว
Kind of a weird mix of modern and
เป็นของท่าน
old.
ที่อัญเชิญมาจากประเทศจีนประชาชนนิยมมาสักการะเพื่อช่วยคุ้มครองคนทางเดินให้ปลอดภัยผู้โดยสารยังสามารถเดิน
There are a lot of temples and palaces in Bangkok, especially along the river. You have the chance to hop off the boat and take a look around at the ones that you find most interesting. And then you can wait the 30 minutes for the next boat to come by, and you have your chance to hop back on the boat and continue on to the next place in your journey.
Chinatown flower market and Indian market. Chinatown flower market and Indian market. Indian market.
Now, I'm not sure why, but being February 2020, there were concerns about the coronavirus, and the stop to get off at Chinatown was not an option. You could get off at the next stop, the flower market, and make your way there, but the Chinatown pier itself was closed. So, we chose not to go and get off at that particular stop. Oh, there's a KFC if you want some lunch.
I'm full. I'd like to see KFC.
I do apologize for the wind noise. I cut out as much as I could, but we were sitting up on the top deck. On the way back, we sat down below, so it's a lot better later on in the video. We got shabu shabu.
Chinatown and Indian market. Your way to Chinatown and Indian market. Please stand by and stand. ถ้าใครจะไปเยาวราชสำเพ็งกะเพรารักเมืองธานีได้ครับที่เป็นยอดพิมานตลาดดอกไม้และสะพานพุทธหัวซื้อชาหัวซื้อชาเจียจับจีแดงจุดฟ้าจุดลูกผู้หญิงนักเดินซิ่งปากคลองตลาดลาเวอร์มาร์เก็ตอินเดียนมาร์เก็ตหลังไชน่าทาวน์ลาเวอร์มาร์เก็ตอินเดียนมาร์เก็ตหลังไชน่าทาวน์ที่มีร้านที่มีมอลล์ที่
Nice. Ah, look at that one. That one's hauling butt. Dad would have loved to have gotten his hands on one of those motors. Go racing up and down this river. can see us pulling up to Wat Arun. According to the booklet, you quote-unquote marvel at the beauty of Thai architecture built during the Ayutthaya period some 300 years ago. The Temple of Dawn. Take a picture with the giant guardians unique to Wat Arun and located at the entrance of the chapel. These two statues are Sahatsacheda and Tosakan and have stood guard here for a very long time. Discover also the principal pagoda of Wat Arun and other important symbols for all tourists to see. It is an ornate structure which measures 81.85 meters in height.
Wat Arun on your left hand side, Wat Arun, please stand by and back.
Want to go see it?
Sure. Yeah.
Pick it up?
Yeah.
And one more on your right.
Now we are on our way back, and the sound is obviously a lot better. The end of the line, so to speak, is the Phra Artit Pier. From this pier is a short walk to the Khao San Street, which is famous for its youth hostels. There were a lot of millennials with their backpacks walking around this part of Bangkok. The nightlife in this area is also supposed to be very cool. I hear that you can even sample some interesting food items like scorpions. Maybe it's good that we didn't stay for the nightlife. The stop served another purpose for me. The last time I was in the area, a year ago, I spotted something very interesting that I hadn't seen anywhere else. Counterfeit Fjallraven Kanken backpacks. When I saw that the last stop put us within shouting distance of getting my hands on one, I had to do it. Khao San is lined with little shops selling all sorts of trinkets to the tourists, but this one I had to get. I will be doing a video later on for these counterfeits. Other interesting stops were the National Museum of Royal Barges, a pair of medical museums, and the Wang Lang Market, where you can get a lot of street foods or types of street foods. The Grand Palace, which is one of Bangkok's most famous landmarks, is another stop. It was built it started in 1782 and has been the palace of several of Thailand's kings. The Museum of Siam is more hands-on and accessible, the sort of museum that will teach tourists about what it means to be Thai. At the same time, Thailand is heavily influenced by Chinese culture, so if you want to explore that connection, hop off at Long 1919. But if you crave the Western influence, then Icon Siam is the place for you. It is a massive mall with all of the big brands like Cartier, Hermes, Louis Vuitton, and even a 3-star Michelin restaurant. Well, thank you if you made it this far in the video. If you like it, go ahead and give it a like, a subscribe, a share, anything to help me build up my channel here, and I will see you next time.